Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about displacement reaction. What's a displacement reaction? Displacement reaction, the word itself suggests that displace. Displace. You're going to remove it from its original place. You're going to remove it from its place. We call it as displace, and this kind of reactions are called as displacement reaction. So now what's happening right now over here is A is displacing B and A is taking the place of B to form AC. Let's take an example of displacement reaction on the screen right now. You have zinc plus copper sulfate, which gives rise to zinc sulfate plus copper. Similarly, aluminium plus copper sulfate, which gives you copper plus aluminium sulfate. Let's connect to the previous analogy given. The zinc is A, copper is B, sulfate is C. Now this is AC and this is B. Similar for this also. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is B, this is A, C. Similarly for this is A, this is B, this is C, this is AC, and this is B. Why do you think this displacement reactions occur? This displacement reaction occurs because of one being strong and other being weak. In other words, we can simply say it as one is more reactive and the other one is less reactive. Then how can we find out this, whether they are more reactive or less reactive? We can find out by the reactivity series. This is a reactivity series table. This is a reactivity series table in which you can find the above from potassium to aluminium. They are most reactive. From zinc to lead are moderately reactive. While copper, they are not reactive at all. The reaction now. What do you observe over here? Zinc, where is zinc? The zinc is over here. The zinc is over here. And where is copper? Copper is over here. Copper is over here. So zinc is displacing copper because zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc is more reactive than copper. Similarly, take the second example, aluminium, and this is copper. So aluminium is displacing copper. Aluminium is displacing copper to form aluminium sulfate. Similarly, zinc is displacing copper to form zinc sulfate. The highly reactive elements will always displace the least reactive elements. Let's watch a video where zinc displaces copper in copper sulfate solution.
Today's experiment, we will be looking at the displacement reaction of metals. The chemicals that we will need are a beaker of copper 2 sulfate solution, as well as a strip of zinc metal. What do you think will happen if we were to place this piece of zinc into the solution? Let's find out. We observe that as the reaction proceeds, the solution changes from blue to colorless. In addition, a reddish-brown solid also forms on the surface of the zinc metal.
So what has happened right now? The blue color of copper sulfate is turned white because the zinc is displacing copper. The zinc is displacing copper, forming zinc sulfate, which is white or transparent liquid plus copper. Zinc and copper. The white or transparent liquid is nothing but zinc sulfate. In the next class, we are going to deal about double displacement reaction, redox reaction, that is nothing but reduction and oxidation reaction, and how they are going to be happening.